Hello guys, I'm back. My name is Jeferson Costa and I teach students, graduates and engineers how to work with chemical process engineering and plant design. And today I am here with you to share my answer to the following questions that I received on my LinkedIn profile. Could you please guide me how to get an Aspen certification? Can I get any offer on doing Aspen certification? So for the first question, how to get an Aspen certification? Currently, the Aspen Tech is providing a 100% free coupon to get the Aspen certification for any one of their products. So Aspen Hysys, Aspen Plus, and others software available from Aspen Tech provide some kind of certification of expertise, and you are able to apply to them for free if you use the free coupon ACU. So free from Freedom and ACU of Aspen certified users, for instance. So I will let available here the free coupon in the video. You just need to go to Aspen Tech website, look for a certification and choose what is the best day to you, what is the product, and go to the checkout web page. In the checkout web page, you will see a field for coupon application. So you just need to type free ACU, click on apply, and the Aspen Tech will give you a $150 discount. That is the price of the certification. Based on that, you go to another screen where you need to fill your personal information. Make sure that you use a business email or at least an education email, because Aspen Tech is filtering who is able to apply to the exam. And about the second question, will you get an offer with the Aspen certification? This is a hard question because the Aspen certification is not for job offering. Any certification that you do most often will not guarantee to you any offer. I don't know any certification that you apply, you pass, and you get an offer. But if you consider that more and more people are getting the certification, and if the recruiters want to filter or let their life easier to understand or to verify who has proficiency in Aspen Hysys, they can filter, for instance, on LinkedIn profiles with the Aspen Hysys certification, and they will get people that already shows the requirements of skill in Aspen Hysys. So in my point of view, as this exam or this certification is for free, at least from the period where I recorded this video, and you are familiar and you have expertise in Aspen Hysys, I strongly recommend you to apply, just to make sure that you will not be eliminated from any interview process or job position process because you didn't add that to your resume or to your curriculum. If you need to have more orientation or more tips about Aspen certification, you can go to my YouTube profile, because there I have some tips about the exam. If you like this video, share it with other people, because this way you'll be helping me to achieve 100,000 chemical process engineers around the world. So this is it, guys. I hope you like it, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.